Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you. Okay, today we are going to look at different, unique and beautiful shirts braided cornrows. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you all different styles of shorts braided cornrows for ladies. Just enjoy and watch to the end. You'll be amazed with different beautiful and latest trending styles loaded in this video. Okay, just look through. You can see that this video is made up of various short braided cornrows. We have the coily ones, we have the short ones with bantu knots just like this one. This one has coily body, okay, and a spiral cornrow. This one too has a spiral cornrow with beaded ends. Now look at this is so simple and nice. Just look at, isn't it beautiful? It's so beautiful. Just look at this one. Then look at this one is shirts and it's packed half up, half down. This one is spiral cornrow and twisted end. Look at this one, so beautiful. So this video has different styles of these short hairstyles. We have the one of the twisted, we have stitch braid style, we have the bohemian braid style, we have the Fulani style, we have the all different types of style. They are all embedded in this video. Just see how beautiful and gorgeous they are. One thing about short braided cornrows is one is simplicity and its uniqueness. Like, it's so versatile. You can wear it to anywhere. It's simple, but it still looks good on anyone that wears it. Okay, just sit down, watch to the end. You will definitely pick a style. Please don't forget to like this video, share, and also comment. And if today is your first time coming across my video, I'm so happy. Thank you so much, and I assure you that you will like what you will see. Okay, this channel, Noble Fashion World, is a channel that showcases different trending, beautiful, unique styles in all forms in order to promote creativity and talent, and also DIYs. Like, this channel is loaded with so many creativity. Okay, you are in the right channel. Welcome so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my video. Thank you all, and watch to the end. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye.